Hello, here's week 9. So let's start out with what we did in class. First of all, we just had practice with figuring out video data that we did from a ball drop. So we created our Logger Pro, our Excel spreadsheets, and the position versus time, time versus velocity, and acceleration versus time graphs using the Excel, and we also did a VPython model of all that. And we talked about projectile motion and how it travels in a parabola form, and the only force acting on it would be gravity. So that was pretty straightforward. We also, the next day we talked about range equations. It was just all trigonometry. So range equations, total velocity, and how to calculate the azimuth angles, the distances, the velocities of vz, vx, and vh, all using trig. So here's an example. I'm not sure if you can see it that good, but that is the basics. So going in more depth with that, the range equation was vt, which is total velocity, squared times sine 2 theta divided by acceleration. And the total velocity was just a modified version of that, so it's all over the square root of and range times acceleration over sine 2 theta, so it's just modified into that. And in order to calculate the azimuth, we had to take the top view. So here's the first example right there, and the side view was used to calculate distances, and that is that example right there. The top view was used to calculate velocity space, so that was that view, and that's just a top view of that angle. And for homework, it was very busy. I met up with my group. We worked on building our launcher, and we also tested it. It works pretty good, I think, and I think we did a really good job. So I'll put in a few pictures of that. Besides all that stuff, I just created my new video for the week. Not created, I found it. And catching up on whatever I needed to do, which was some of the comments on the NEAT videos. Not much. I still need to finish my spiral dynamics. I'm halfway done with that, so it wasn't that much. But yes, I'm just making sure I'm all caught up on everything with the grade I want. And yeah, I didn't really have any questions. It was pretty straightforward. We went over everything and how to make sure we're prepared to do the Logger Pro and the Excel and the VPython for our next project. So yeah, that pretty much explained everything. Okay, see you next week. Bye.